Students, today I am explaining class 7th, chapter 3rd, formulas and functions. Formulas are used to perform calculations involving addition, subtraction, division and multiplication. It establishes a relationship between two or more cells. Now, creating a basic formula. Basic formulas involve only one operator in a formula. Calculate the sum of numbers in B4, B5, B9 and display the result in B11 using compound formula. Compound formulas are used when you need more than one operator to perform calculations. Calculate the simple interest using the formula P into R into T upon 100. So, click on the cell B6 and type equal. Then select the formula. Now, types of cell references. Relative references. When you copy or move the formula to other cells, the reference cell automatically gets changed. Absolute reference. Absolute reference is used when we don't want to change the address of the cell on copying the formula to another cell. Mixed reference. It is a combination of relative and absolute reference. Naming a sheet tab. By default, Excel displays 3 sheets in a worksheet named as sheet 1, sheet 2 and sheet 3. But we can add as many sheets as we require. We can assign any name to these sheet tabs. Rules to enter a function. First, functions. Functions are pre-designed formulas in Excel to perform both simple and complex calculations. So, to do the functions, rules of functions. All Excel functions must begin with equal sign. Function name must be a valid Excel name, for example, sum, average. Function's name must be followed by opening and closing parentheses. Now, using the average function, click on the cell where you want to place the average of values. Type equal sign, type the function name average, then put the range. Common function max. It is used to find the largest value in the given range. Today, it is used to display the current date. Formulas error. In Microsoft Excel, if any formula is entered incorrectly, then Excel display an error message instead of the values. Thank you.